In today's video, I am going to teach you how to hide or unhide chart in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly how to quickly clear your view. Focus on what matters and bring everything back just as easily without deleting a thing. Let's start with the fastest way to hide or show the price plot for a symbol. Look to the top left corner of your chart where the symbol name appears. You'll see a small eye icon next to it. Clicking that eye hides the entire price series for that symbol, candles, bars, or line. So you can remove visual noise in one move. Click the eye again, and the chart instantly reappears, just as you left it. This is perfect when you are comparing multiple symbols or want to focus on indicators and drawings without price action getting in the way. Next, you can manage visibility with more control using the object tree on the right sidebar. The object tree organizes everything on your chart: symbols, indicators, and drawings into a clean, searchable list. Use the eye icons inside the object tree to hide or unhide specific items or whole groups. For example, if you only want to hide a single trend line or a specific label, toggle its eye without affecting the rest of your chart. If you are fine-tuning a multi-indicator setup, you can temporarily hide one indicator while keeping another visible. It's a precise, non-destructive way to manage a busy workspace. If you've added lots of lines, shapes, or text, you can hide all drawings at once. Look at the bottom toolbar and click the drawing's eye icon. This toggles every drawing on or off in a single click. Nothing is removed, all your annotations remain saved in the background. Click again to bring them back exactly as they were. It's an excellent way to switch from analysis to presentation mode and back. For indicators, manage visibility through their settings. Open the Indicators Settings panel from the chart header or within the object tree. Then use the visibility control inside that panel. Turning it off hides the indicator without deleting it. And all your inputs and styles are preserved for later. Turn it back on when you are ready to continue. A quick reminder: hiding is always reversible and does not affect your saved layouts or alerts. If something seems to vanish, check the eye icons at the top left. In the object tree, the bottom toolbar for drawings or the indicators settings. That's all you need to hide or unhide charts and their elements in Tradingview with confidence and efficiency.